Yo, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So I actually went to the kayak for the first time and I made a POV, so it is a bit different of a video because I'm not in the car and I'm still making a POV. I'm literally on water, but it was a sick experience though. So I've always wanted to done kayaking because I don't know, I'm a huge nature person, but I barely do anything that involves nature. I don't know why. So since recently I've been starting to like do the things that I actually want to do. Yeah, that's one of them, kayaking. I wanted to buy one, but those are mad expensive. They're like for 800 or something like that for like the cheaper ones. I wanted to buy one, but I wanted to test it out before I actually went out and spent that much money on a kayak. So I just rented one with my girlfriend. But yeah, I just rented one with my girlfriend and just to see if I liked it, and I actually love it, so I think I'm gonna buy one. It is a lot of money, but you know, I really want one though, so I might just grab one. But yeah, I made a sick POV, so you guys will see that. Went like 0 to 60 on a kayak. It was super fun. So if any of you guys have done it before though, let me know in the comments, or if you guys are like into nature stuff like me, trust me, give kayaking a try. It's super fun. But right now I'm just gonna give you guys a little POV. And the pops are warm though. Damn, straight up gunshots, G. But yeah, I'm just giving you guys a little POV, just a shorter one, then I'll show you guys the kayak videos. It was mad fun though. Damn, almost my lip up. Damn, look, we upgraded. No more car POVs. Damn, this thing is actually sick though. I've never done it before. Let me know if you guys have done it before in the comments. It's my first time doing it. I actually want to buy one, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna rent them first to see how sick it is, but I feel like I'm for sure gonna need one. These things are sick. New POV. I don't even know what I'm gonna title it. Let's do a pull. Let's see if I can stop it. Damn, this shit's drifting. Let's go. 0 to 60 in 3 days. Yeah, I'm actually going fast though, but I'm getting soaked. I'm not even like swimming stuff. I didn't think I'd get this wet. But hey, I'm actually moving mad fast. I want to try to like stop it, but I feel like I might flip the thing. Damn, I'm gonna be soaked by the time I'm done. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Let's see how fast we get over there. Go. Damn, you crossed me.
Walk to the opposite side of me.
I don't know what side you're going, but I'm going fast. Damn, I'm doing about 100. You gotta turn more.
Snapchat will tell you how fast you're going.
It does?
Yeah.
Damn. I'm soaked, but it is what it is.
Where do you want to go?
To the leaves.
Okay,
over
but
there.
You know, you can actually go in that if you don't steer away.
Well, we gotta steer away then.
Do you know what's in there?
Crocodiles.
Go
Damn.
along that way to see the roses. Tulip. It's gonna be sunset soon.
And we gotta turn away. We're going in it. Turn like this
Okay,
side.
yeah, there we go.
Imagine I see one. I would just swim over there. I know. You could actually go in there, I think.
No, there's water snakes and shit.
Yeah.
I don't want to get to see a water snake.
10K likes and I go in there.
Oh, please. You're not alone.
It's not that bad. I don't think you need a life jacket. It's not gonna tip over unless it's rough though. How sick this little spot is. is. That's just peaceful, look. Damn, it is a vibe. It is a vibe though. Yeah, we gotta go back in soon though, you think? Nah, we have an hour. We still have an hour, right? Like around 40 minutes. Nah, this is a vibe though.
We don't have one here till